Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we are solving lead code problems one by one. And today we are going to see another problem, which would be a continuation of the previous one which we solved regarding data frame. So this problem, we are going to get the size of a data frame. So that is a question here. So basically what it means is that whenever they give a data frame as an input, we should give the output of number of rows and number of columns in a list. So that is what is happening here. You can see that the input they have given a data frame with some values, and as you can see it has 5 columns and it has 10 rows. So the output has been printed as a list 10 comma 5. So this is very simple, and we can do this with Python using the pandas library as well. And so what we are going to do is whatever the data frame is given, we are making sure that it is a pandas data frame that is coming as a parameter here. So in this case it is players, the parameter is passed, and we are going to check the number of rows and number of columns in this players data frame. So we can do this in Python using the length function. Okay, so in order to do that, we will create a variable row equal to length of players. So we need specifically we need the row, right? So we'll particularly mention the axis of 0. So this what it will do is it will take the length of axis of 0 means length of the row. Okay, and again we'll go create another variable column equal to length of layers again dot, and no, you can guess this, right? Axis of 1. Okay, so that will give us the length of the column as well, and finally we can return it as a list because that is what they have asked, and the list should contain first value as a row and the second value as a column. Oh, sorry. Row, comma, column. Okay. So now let's run and see. That's it. So it went well, and you can see the output here. They say I passed the same input as of that, and the output is printed as 10 comma 5. That's it. Again, it's a very simple thing to work with Python whenever we are working with a data frame, and it is very handy whenever you are going on to create some tools or when you are trying to play with some APIs of some websites. You'll get the values and you need to do some looping or some conditions. We might need this length of the rows and length of the columns. So the simple program will be really helpful when you are doing some big complex tasks such as data extraction from some websites, or say let's say you work for a company and you need to develop a tool where you have to get some data from an existing company software, and then you have to make a process improvement right there. You can use these tools. I mean, you can use pandas, which will be very very helpful for you. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video with another problem. Thank you. Bye bye.